Hello friends, in this session let us look at this example related to modulus of variable. We have been given that absolute value of 6x plus 7 divided by absolute value of 5x minus 8 is less than 4. We have to find out the solution set. To solve this problem, what we will do, we will try to take the number line and divide that into three parts in such a way that we can find out the absolute value of each of the functions given, that is numerator and denominator. So let's take number line. Let us say this is our number line. We have minus infinity to infinity. Now what are the critical points here? One critical point I see is 6x plus 7 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 7 by 6. Another critical point I see is 5x minus 8 equal to 0. That means x equal to 8 by 5. So how absolute value of 6x plus 7 value will be in these three? We will try to have a look at that. First let us say we look at the case where x is less than minus 7 by 6. This is minus 7 by 6, x is between minus 7 by 6 and 8 by 5, and this is x greater than 8 by 5. Now let's look at the first case, x less than minus 7 by 6. So can I take x equal to minus 2 or something? Substitute minus 2. What's happening now? 6 into minus 2 plus 7, that is minus 5. That means this value is negative of x. Absolute value of x is negative of x here. Similarly here, if I put x equal to minus 2, I get again negative value. That means in this case where I talk about x less than minus 7 by 6, absolute of 6x plus 7 is minus of 6x plus 7. Similarly, absolute of 5x minus 8 is minus of 5x minus 8. I hope you are okay with that. Then I can write down minus of 6x plus 7 divided by minus of 5x minus 8 is less than 4. This will be for x less than minus 7 by 6. Now let's go to the other one where it is between minus 7 by 6 and 8 by 5. In that case what happens? Let's take one value here, sample between minus 1 and approximately 1.6. Why can't I take 0? 0 is part of this interval. If I substitute 0, I get the numerator positive because x greater than minus 7 by 6, but the denominator is negative. So numerator is positive, denominator is negative. That means absolute value of 6x plus 7 is now 6x plus 7 because that is greater than 0, and absolute value of 5x minus 8 is minus of 5x minus 8 because x is less than 8 by 5. Now let us go to the next interval where x is greater than 8 by 5. In this case what happens? I will have 6x plus 7 because x is greater than minus 7 by 6. X is also greater than 8 by 5. So it will be 5x minus 8. So both of them are positive, less than or equal to 4. Now if you are able to try to find out what will be the equations at different intervals, then what we can do, we can draw the Wavy curve method. We can find out the solutions and add all of them together to find out the final solution. So what we did now is basically we divided the number line into three parts. We will find out the solution for x less than minus 7 by 6. What will be the solution? When x is between minus 7 by 6 and 8 by 5, what will be the solution? And when x is greater than 8 by 5, what will be the solution? Then we will add all of them. Before doing that, let us try to simplify this. Now, if you ask me, I can see both 1 and 3 same because minus and minus will cancel. So both of them will give me the same inequality. So I can say that. So we will try to find out that. Then we will also work on that. We will get all the three. Then we will put number line and we will try to find out the solutions for them. Okay. Let's go ahead now. First I can cancel minus and minus. So I have 6x plus 7 minus by 5x minus 8 6x plus 7 by 5x minus 8, minus 4 is less than 0. Now let's take LCM of that. We will have 6x plus 7 minus 4 into 5x minus 8 divided by 5x minus 8 is less than 0. If you try to simplify that, we will see what it will become. It will become 6x plus 7 minus 20x plus 32 divided by 5x minus 8 is less than 0. I can also write it as 39 minus 14x divided by 5x minus 8 is less than 0. So remember this part. This we will write down in the first case. So that will be the equation for the first one. So x is less than minus 7 by 6. We just took the LCM. We found our equation. I'll write it on top of this. Okay, let me just go ahead and write down on top of this. What is this? We said 39 minus 4x. 39 minus 4x divided by 5x minus 8 is less than 0. Similarly, we know here also it is the same. 39 minus 4x divided by 5x minus 8 is less than 0. So that's the solution. 2 we know, one for x less than minus 7 by 6 and another x greater than 8 by 5. Now let us find out what it will be between minus 7 by 6 and 8 by 5. Now let's take the case of this where x is between minus 7 by 6 and 8 by 5. We said that in that case 6x plus 7 will be 6x plus 7 only divided by, but the denominator, this mod of absolute value of 5x minus 8 or mod of 5x minus 8 is minus of 5x minus 8 less than 4. So let's try to simplify that. This is nothing but 6x plus 7 divided by minus of 5x minus 8 minus 4 divided by 0. So can I write the next step for that? If I take LCM, I'll have 6x plus 7 minus of minus is plus. So can I say 4 into 5 20x minus into minus into minus, that is minus 32 divided by minus of 5x minus 8 is less than 0. Now if I simplify that, I will have 26x minus 25 divided by 5x minus 8 minus of is less than 0. So can I make it as greater than 0? Because that minus, when I multiply, the signs will change. So let's go and write down now what is for the middle interval. We have here 26x minus 25 divided by 5x minus 8, and this is greater than 0. So these are the three different inequalities we got. Now we have to solve them, find out the solution for each one of them and club them together to find out the total solution of absolute value of 6x plus 7 divided by absolute value of 5x minus 8 less than 4. So let's go to the next step. Now let us say this first interval is our one solution, second interval is second solution, third interval is third solution. We'll do one by one. So I'll give them names so that we can easily remember that. Let me say this is interval 1, that is x less than minus 7 by 6. Next is x is less than 85 greater than minus 7 by 6, and next one is third interval. So we will do now our solution set. For each one of them we will give them 1, 2, 3. So I will draw 3 number lines for you. Let me try to draw 3 number lines. So this is first line, this is second line, and this is third line. All of them are minus infinity to infinity, minus infinity to infinity, again minus infinity to infinity. Okay, when I go to the first one, I see 39 minus 4x divided by 5x minus 8 is less than 0. Now what are the critical points here? Let's try to plot them. 5x minus 8 equal to 0. So x equal to 8 by 5. So let's go to 8 by 5. We will put it. Actually, we have it already there. So we'll write down where 8 by 5 is there. This is 8 by 5. And we have 39 minus 4x. 1 minute. Is it 4x? I think there is a typo. It should be 14x, I think, when we simplified it. I'll go back and check that again, but I think it is 14x. I'll check it when we have written. Maybe I missed one. It is 39 minus 14x. That's what I remember. Okay, fine. So when I go, I have, where is that 39 by 14 will come? That is nothing but approximately 2.7. So let me write down that this is here 39 by 14. Okay. Now when I go to the second case, I have 26x minus 25. I have 26x minus 25. That means x equal to 25 by 26. That is nothing but approximately 1. So I'll take it here and I will say that is 25 by 26. And where is the other one? Nothing but 8 by 5 as it is. When I go to the third one, it is actually again 8 by 5 and also 39 by 14 as it is. Now these are the three with critical points. Now we have to understand what we need, what we don't need. So let's go ahead and do that. The first one, when I take 39 minus 14x divided by 5x minus 8, now it is divided into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. Let's take 0, which is part of the first one. If I put 0, I have 39 divided by minus 8, which is less than 0. So I can go ahead and put tick mark here. This is needed, this is not, this is wrong, and this is right. Okay. Now similarly, let's do for the second one also. Second one, we have 26x minus 25 by 5x minus 8 greater than or equal to 0. Again, let's take for 0. If I put 0, I have 25 by 8 greater than 0. That means I have 3 point something which is greater than 0. So can I go ahead now and say this is needed and this is wrong and this is right. Now let's go to the third one. It is like the first one only as it is. So we know this part is plus and this part is wrong and this part is correct. So this is how we did wavy curve method earlier. What we did here, we took one value. Suppose for the first one I took 0. 0 is coming between minus infinity and 1.6. When I took 0, I see that I have 39 by minus 8, which is less than 0. That means this is positive. This is positive. This is what actually I want. I'm not talking about plus or minus. I want this value. So this is I want. Then automatically next one I don't want. Next one I want because it is minus plus minus. Similarly, look at the third one also, it is the same. When I go to the second one, if I put x equal to 0, I have 25 by 8, which is greater than 0. That means this interval is I need, the next one I don't. That means the next one I need. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the solution according to our intervals, right? Now what is the first interval? We know first interval is x less than minus 7 by 6. That means I can go only till here. Okay, let me just change that. I can go here only x less than minus 7 by 6. So I can go till here only. So what's the meaning of that? Let me explain you. The meaning is this is applicable only for this part. So this is not at all needed. It makes it little bit more clear to you. This is only for till x less than minus 7 by 6. So from this, the solution whatever I am getting is, I'll write it in another color. The solution what I am getting here is minus infinity to minus 7 by 6. That's what the solution I am getting from the first one, because we got that minus infinity to, we can go only till minus 7 by 6, even though it is up to 8 by 5, it is positive. Okay, now let's go to the second one. Second one, if you understand, is between minus 7 by 6 and 8 by 5. So what is not needed here? Not needed is the part which is less than minus 7 by 6, which is more than 8 by 5. We don't need. We need only between minus 7 by 6 and 8 by 5. If I look there, I know this part is positive because it is part of this. Then I will go ahead and erase this part which is not needed. I am not talking about this because it is only between minus 7 by 6 and 8 by 5. There what is positive, you see, minus 7 by 6 to 25 by 26. Let's go to the third one now. Third one is greater than 8 by 5. So I need it only from 8 by 5 to infinity. Now in this case I have starting from 39 by 14. So let me write down one by one. For the second one, what is the solution here? Solution is minus 7 by 6 to 25 by 26, because this you don't want. Now when you go to the third one, the solution will be, you are starting from 39 by 14 and you are going to infinity. This part you don't want. Even though you are greater than 8 by 5, but what you want, the solution is satisfied. Only the data, only the values which are between 39 by 14 and infinity. So that will be 39 divided by 14 comma infinity. Now what will be our final solution? The final solution will be nothing but union of all these three. So my solution will be, I start with minus infinity. This is my solution, minus infinity. I go to minus 7 by 6. Again I continue to 25 by 26. So I can go to minus infinity to 25 by 26. After that, union. Next I am starting with 39 by 14. 39 by 14 and I go till infinity. So this is the solution for this particular problem which I just created for you, which was not available in a textbook, but I just thought let me create one problem. How you can verify whether this is the solution of this particular problem is correct or not? You can find out any tool where you can draw the function graph and you can check the solution. One is fooplot.com. You can go to fooplot.com, then you can give the values as absolute value of, you have to write down ABS there, you have to put brackets, inside that you have to give again 6x plus 7 by 5x minus 8. You can check for that. You will see that this is the interval in which the value of the function is less than 4. So let me summarize this, what we have done. I hope I haven't confused you enough, but let me just try to simplify that. So we have been given that we have to find out a solution set of 6x plus 7, 6x plus 7 divided by 5x minus 8 less than 4. So since it is modulus or absolute value, I have to find out the interval. So I have to find out when this will be positive, when this will be negative, when the denominator will be positive, when the denominator will be negative. To understand that, we have divided the number line into three parts. One less than minus 7 by 6. On the left side numerator is positive, on the right side, left side numerator is negative, denominator negative. On the right side, I mean minus 7 by 6 to 8 by 5. Numerator is positive, denominator is negative. When I go to third, where it is x greater than 8 by 5, both of them are positive. So we took x less than minus 7 by 6, x greater than 8 by 5, divided that into three intervals. What I did after that, we went to the given inequation and we have transformed that by taking numerator as minus of 6x plus 7, denominator is minus of 5x minus 8 for the first case. We applied the logic, we did LCM and we found out what is the inequation. Now the same thing applies good for the one which is greater than 8 by 5 also. Now only the thing is the one in the middle. For that numerator is positive, so it will be 6x plus 7. Denominator will be minus of 5x minus 8. We did that one too. Now remember, the first one works. The solution of this we will take only for where it is x less than minus 7 by 6. Here we will take solution only between minus 7 by 6 and 8 by 5. Here we will take it only for greater than 8 by 5. After that what we did, we did the wavy curve method and we found out the interval where it is true less than minus 7 by 6. We also found out between minus 7 by 6 and 8 by 5 where it is true. The condition is satisfied. Similarly for the last case. After that we have made a union of the solution set. So we have minus infinity to minus 7 by 6, minus 7 by 6 to 25 by 26. So this is the solution. So let me just show you a screenshot of how the solution will be. This is a screenshot what I got from fooplot.com, what I was referring to you earlier. Fooplot.com, where you can go and you can give the function as absolute value of 6x plus 7 divided by 5x minus 8 for all the values. You can actually change your x and y width and everything whatever you need. You can see that this is, we are talking about less than 4. Less than 4, it is up to 25 by 26. This is nothing but absolutely equal to almost equal to 1, and afterwards it is less than starting from 39 by 14, that is nothing but value of around 2.7. So this is the interval in which it is less than 4, and the other interval in between this is greater than 4. So this is the solution what we got. You can cross check, you can create problems on your own and you can check the solution by using the graphic tool. You will be sure that you got the correct answer. So this is how we are able to verify that we have got the right solution, because this is not from any textbook, we created on our own. So in the next session we'll try to do some more interesting problems related to modulus. So that's it for now. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now. Let me know if this is clear or not clear. I'll be waiting for your feedback. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now. Bye.